Tears. Introduction. Eyelids help keep the eyes moist. Select true or false. Correct. Tears help keep our eyes moist and clean. Eyelids help move tears across the entire eye. Tears serve only one function, to moisturize the eye. Select true or false. Correct. Tears also wash out anything that irritates the eye, protecting it from damage. What can cause the eyes to make too many tears? Choose one of the following. 1. A foreign body or a scratch on the eye. 2. Allergies. 3. Infection. 4. All of the above. Correct. All of these, as well as a congenital blockage in newborns or certain medicines, can cause watery eyes. What can cause dry eyes? Choose one of the following. 1. Decreased tear production. 2. Medicines. 3. Poor tear quality. 4. All of the above. Correct. All of these can cause dry eyes. Eyelid problems, blinking less often, and wind or dry air exposure can also cause dryness. Thank you for using Explain.